आज तुम सुरवातीत वेला आसतलें क्वेश्चनारा टायमार बेजिकली द वे आर हेल्थ सिस्टम इज फेलिंग, खास करून ज्या पद्दतीन एक्सिडंट वाडटा. देर हॅव बीन ऑलमोस्ट 15,000 ऑड एक्सिडंट्स इन द लास्ट 5 years and the amount of fatal deaths is about 900. आनीक दक्षिण गोंयचे जरी तो रिफरल चोयल्यार हें वाडत आसा फ्रॉम द लास्ट 3-4 years. पयलेच जेन्ना आमदार जाले हो प्रश्न एकदम गंभीर आसा म्हणून आमी मुख्यमंत्रीक सांगिल्लें, हेल्थ मिनिस्टराक सांगिल्लें, बट इफ यू लूक थिंग्स आर गोईंग फ्रॉम बॅड टू वर्स. I asked the health minister that he should rename these district hospitals as primary health centers. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा, after 1 o'clock basically there are no doctors. आणि Indian public health standard प्रमाणे there is a basic necessity that needs to be carried out. These district hospitals were built during the Congress tenure and it is a sorry state of affairs. When the first budget was presented, कॅट लॅब थिंगा येतली म्हूण सांगताले. जेन्ना आज पेशंटाक जेन्ना त्रास जाता, खास करून हायवे केले, रस्ते केले, बट द पेशंट फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो काणकोणच्यान जरी तो तुमी मडगांव हाडल्यार ताका पयले हेल्थ सेंटराक वताय. हेल्थ सेंटरा हाटल्यांक दक्षिण गोंयांत समज हाडो डिस्ट्रिक्टाक 3-4 hours of critical care is lost. Trauma cases, the need of the hour is there has to be a trauma center. The trauma center that deals with these cases, maybe in the North Goa District Hospital and the South Goa District Hospital. This is the need of the hour. Today, the way people are dying like mosquitoes, and ह्या सरकाराक पळोवंक ना. We cannot play with the lives of the people. And we requested and proved through proper data that this has to improvise. हेल्थ सेक्टर नीड्स टू इम्प्रोवायज. दुसरें जेन्ना झिरो आराच्या वेळार आमी प्रयत्न केले की रियलिटी आयच्या दिसाक म्हजो आन्सर जो म्हाका रिप्लाय मेळ्ळो त्या रिप्लाया प्रमाणे थिंगा दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट हाजेर हेजे सरकाराचो हितून कंट्रोल ना इन डिसिजन मेकिंग विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द बिजनस रुल्स. आज इट इज अ सॉरी स्टेट ऑफ अफेर्स. कंटिन्युअसली वी वर सेइंग और सरकार म्हणटालो दे आर गोइंग टू डबल इंजिन सरकार विल हेल्प, बट टुडे इट इज प्रूव्ड एंड द सायलेंस ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर हैज प्रूव्ड that Dabolim is going to be a ghost airport. Air India has also shifted, Air India Express has shifted, and the reply from the civil aviation minister makes it very clear that they have no control. So आमकां हिंगा फकत फोटाश सांगताले आनी हांवें लास्ट असेंब्ली सेशनान सांगलोलें की you all have absolutely no control. This question was raised also in parliament. But हे सरकाराक फक्त आपणागेले इव्हेंट करपाचे पडा. They are not worried about several issues. Next we removed the water scarcity issue. 24/7 हे उदो दिवपाक सोदताले. तेज नंतर म्हणूंक लागले की 8 वरांक मेळटले. लास्ट सेशनाक जेन्ना I asked the chief minister, he corrected himself that 4 hours लागतले म्हणून. There is a shortage. Goa's carrying capacity is somehow damaged. There is absolutely, this government does not know the amount. Now it is shocking to see outsiders, there are building bungalows, they are taking undertaking that tanker and udo घेतले म्हणून, but the tanker water originates from Goa. So if you look today basically on the governor's address, and खास करून I would like to highlight this through your medium, that at the start I said that the speaker has to be a neutral authority. The speaker somehow has to be, he is the custodian of this house. जेन्ना BAC report present जालो त्या वेळार he made a statement की आमगेली objection will not be taken into consideration. Last session, if you remove the video and see, he said that you all didn't give it in writing, despite me giving last time and this time. It is not taken into consideration. And today he says that it is not practiced anyway. I have told him that I will prove that the letter of dissent that I had given in the past is on record of the BAC minute. So म्हाका दिसता whatever dictatorial attitude is of the government seems to be the attitude of this legislative assembly. It is shocking. Anik falcha disak, no doubt there are several issues that we have taken, especially the issue of Old Goa, जे Elton Baban raised केला. It is very, very important. It is a heritage site. We have just celebrated St. Francis Xavier's आमची exposition. आख्खे लाखांनी लोक थिंगा जालो आनी under Prasad scheme, if this is happening, and basically this site cannot be digged. There are restrictions there, but this government, to make the Sharma and Verma and the dictatorial approach of Delhi, they are dictating and they are doing this, and we will not allow this to happen. Maka khatri ha ki या 2 दिसांनी आणि 2 दीस पडुले reply to governor's address, they have put 8 bills. Tomorrow they are bulldozing. Normally they give you 48 hours. Today they introduced the bill. Under 306 they suspend the rules. Under 21 says that private members private members resolution are this aspas hai mana. This is nothing but a murder of democracy. It is sad that despite they having the numbers of 33, they are curtailing the assembly in a way to suit this ruling dispensation.
Thank you.
Yuri, PCP minister clear that his department has not given the NOC for this project.
See, I believe Benzi has given a copy, placed it on the table of the house. Then I believe in 2023 this NOC was given. So I think the Honorable Tourism Minister has said that there will be a discussion, possibly tomorrow. So during that time we will show all the papers.